Good day to all science students. In this video lesson, we are going to tackle about the digestive system and the processes. This is for the quarter 1 and day 1 of first in Science 8. So, parts and functions of the digestive system for day 1. For the lesson objectives, identify the parts of the digestive system and describe their functions. Discuss the parts and functions of the digestive system and show interest and curiosity in learning about how the digestive system works. So dito po pag-aaralan natin ang iba't ibang parts pati yung function ng digestive system. So for motivational activity, sagutan muna po natin itong mga questions using the rumbled words. So for number 1, the first organ where both mechanical and chemical digestion begins. So ito po yung rumbled word. So what will be the answer? Okay, the answer is mouth. Number 2, the muscular tube that connects the throat to the stomach. So, ano kaya itong rumbled word na to? Ayan, esophagus. And then, number 3, the J-shaped organ that mixes food with acid and enzymes. Okay, the answer is stomach. Okay, next, the longest part of the digestive system where nutrients are absorbed. So, ito daw yung pinakamahabang part ng digestive system. Okay, the intestine. The organ that produces bile. Okay, liver. The small organ that stores bile. Okay, that is gallbladder. The organ that produces enzymes and insulin. Anong sagot? Okay, pancreas. The last part of the digestive tract that stores solid waste. Okay, that is rectum. And the opening where waste leaves the body. Okay, that is anus. The finger-like structures in the small intestine that absorb nutrients. Okay, this is villi. Okay, let us discuss the different parts and functions of the digestive system. Have you ever wondered what happens to your burger, spaghetti, or favorite chips after you swallow them? So from the moment we eat food, it begins a fascinating journey inside our body. This journey is handled by a group of organs called the digestive system. Let's explore how this system works, why it is important, and how we can take care of it. O bakit ba mahalaga na alagaan natin ang ating digestive system at paano ba ito nagfa-function? So, what are the parts of the digestive system at ano ang kanilang mga functions? Isa-isahin po natin. Let's go through the major organs involved in digestion. Use this diagram as your visual guide. Okay, ito po yung pinaka-summary ng parts and mga parts ng digestive system. We have the mouth, salivary glands, esophagus. We have the liver, gallbladder, stomach, pancreas, large intestine, and the small intestine. We have the appendix, rectum, and anus. So the first part, mouth. What is the function of mouth? Where digestion begins. Teeth break down food in mechanical digestion. So pag nataan natin, ang tawag dun is mechanical digestion. And sinamahan ito ng chemical digestion using the saliva, which it breaks the food chemically. It breaks it down chemically. So, esophagus, a muscular tube that pushes foods from the mouth to the stomach through a movement called peristalsis. Yung pagbaba pala nung pagkain natin, ang tawag dun sa movement na yun is peristalsis. So, ang may responsibility ng function na yun is the esophagus. So, stomach, it mixes food with strong acids and enzymes. This breaks it into a liquid called chyme. Number 4, small intestine. The most digestion and nutrient absorption happen. Dito pala nangyayari yung pinakamaraming o pinakamatinding pagtunaw at pag-absorb ng mga nutrients. It is lined with tiny finger-like projection called the villi. And then the liver. The function of this is produces bile that helps digest fats. Napakahalaga po ng ating liver. So, next is gallbladder. It stores bile until it is needed by the small intestine. And And the pancreas, it produces digestive enzymes and insulin. So, sa kaalaman natin, ang insulin, yan yung nagko-control ng blood sugar natin. Ano po yung sugar level ng ating dugo. Maliban dyan, sa dagdag kaalaman po natin, ang pancreas is nagre-release din ng enzyme na tinatawag na glucagon. Yun naman po yung nare-release kapag tayo ay nalagpasan ng gutom. Next is large intestine or the colon. It absorbs water and minerals, forms solid waste. Rectum and anus. Ito yung pinaka-last part ng digestive system. Stores and releases solid waste from the body. So ito na yung pinakadaanan ng pinakalabasan na ng dumi ng ating katawan after the digestion process. Ayan. Why is digestion important? It gives us energy to play, study, and grow. Number 2, it helps the body absorb nutrients from food. Ayan, dalawa na po. Energy, absorb nutrients, and remove waste from that we don't need. So, yung tatlo. Number 1, balikan natin. Number 1 is absorption of energy. Nutrients gives us energy and removal of waste. So, reflection question. What part of the digestive system do you think is the most important? Why? Mayroon bang most important? Imagine nyo isa dun ang mawala. What will happen to the human? Or what will happen to our body? Isa man dun sa part ng digestive system ang mawala. So, sa tingin ninyo, may most important ba o lahat important? Number 2, what do you think would happen if the stomach didn't produce acid? Isa yung example ito. Paano kung hindi mag-produce ng acid ang stomach? What will happen to the food? What will happen to the digestion process? And number 3, how can we take care of our digestive system? Dapat bang magpalipas ng gutom or dapat bang sobrahan naman ang kain? O kaya naman lunukin na lang natin yung ating kinakain, wag nang ngatain. Ano kayang mangyayari? So for the summary chart, these are the organs and then functions. Okay, mouth chews and moisten food. Esophagus transport food to the stomach, and then the stomach mixes food with acid and enzyme. Small intestine absorbs nutrients. Liver produces bile for fat digestion. Gallbladder stores bile. So pancreas produces enzymes and hormones. Large intestine absorbs water and forms waste. And then rectum and anus expels solid waste from the body. Okay, for the quiz about this lesson, let us try answering these different questions. So choose the letter of the correct answer, write your answer on the space provided. So tingnan natin. So sabayan nyo po pagsagot itong video ito. Which part of the digestive system is responsible for mixing with acid and enzymes to form chyme? Okay, that is stomach. Number 2, what muscular movement pushes food from the esophagus to the stomach? Ano yung process na yon? What is that movement? Okay, that is peristalsis. So what is the primary function of the small intestine? Letter A, producing bile. B, grinding food. C, absorbing nutrients. D, filtering toxins. Okay, absorbing nutrients. Which organ begins both mechanical and chemical digestion? The answer is mouth. Yung sa mechanical, yung pagngata, chemical is the application of or the use of saliva. 5. What substance is produced by the liver to help digest fats? Okay, that is bile. Which of the following stores bile before it is released into the small intestine? Okay, the gallbladder. Which organ produces insulin and enzymes to support digestion? Okay, pancreas. Where does the process of digestion start? Saan bang pinakasimula ng digestive system? Okay, that is the mouth. Which part of the digestive system absorb water and form solid waste? Okay, the large intestine. Diyan pala nabubuo yung solid waste. What is the final part of the digestive system where waste exits the body? Okay, that is the anus. Unit 1, Week 1, the journey of food through the body. For lesson objectives, list the steps in the digestive process from ingestion to elimination. Accomplish a worksheet by labeling the digestive process flowchart and express appreciation for the role of digestion in maintaining overall health. The 5 major steps in digestion. These steps happen in order from eating to waste removal. Okay, number 1, this is ingestion, the process of taking in food through the mouth. The organs involved: mouth, tongue, teeth, salivary glands. Chewing breaks down food into smaller pieces, while saliva begins breaking it down chemically. Mechanical and chemical digestion. Mechanical digestion physically breaks down food. Chemical digestion uses enzymes and acid to break it into simpler molecules. Organs involved: we have mouth, stomach, small intestine. It is important that enzymes from saliva, stomach, pancreas, and small intestine breaks down carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. Ganun pala kahalaga ang enzymes na pinoproduce sa saliva and stomach, involving pancreas and small intestine. Absorption. Nutrients from digested food are absorbed into the bloodstream. The main organ involved is the small intestine, especially the villi. Important note, this is where your body gets energy and nutrients like vitamins, minerals, proteins, and sugars. So, number 4, transport. Circulation of absorbed nutrients to the cells of the body. Involves blood vessels and circulatory system. The digestion doesn't work alone. It partners with other system like the circulatory and endocrine system. Totoo po yan. They are interrelated in terms of function, or they are connected to each other. All the systems of the body. Number 5, elimination. Removal of indigestible substance and waste as feces. So, the organs involved: large intestine, rectum, and anus. So, water is absorbed from the remaining food and the solid waste is expelled from the body. For question, why is digestion important to your health? Number 1, energy supply. Digestion turns food into energy. Number 2, bodybuilding. It delivers materials needed to grow and repair tissues. Immunity boost. A healthy gut supports a strong immune system. And number 4, waste management. So, eliminates toxins and excess substance from the body. So, for the quiz, let us answer this. Label the following and write your answer on your paper. Drawing nyo na yan based dun sa mga diniscuss natin. What are the parts? Halimbawa, yung sa number 12, ano yung pinaka last part dun?